welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing, new and old. I appreciate the love. Back with another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Normally I make hair videos. This look right here is an old twist out. If you want to see how I got these results, just click the link above and below. But in today's video, what I'm going to show you is not how I got this look, but how I got this look right here. These nails right here at home for under $20 using press-on nails. Yes, I said press-on nails. Surprisingly, a lot of people don't know press-on nails have come up, okay? A lot of celebrities use them to switch their looks really quickly, and they're very affordable, very versatile, and no real commitment. If you're interested, just keep watching. All right, so I'm starting off on clean hands with bare nails. In today's video, I am going to be using nails from Marmalade. This is a really unique and cutting edge press-on nail company. So I'm just unboxing them. They are online, so I did have to order these nails online. And the nails that I ordered are called Lioness. They are a really pretty nude peachy color, and they are stiletto shaped. In the package, you get your nails, you get directions on how to apply and remove the nails, another set of directions on how to remove your nails, and a nail remover. So here are the nails. They come in several sizes. So what I'm doing now is just finding the right size for each nail. When it comes to press-on nails, I want them to look more like acrylic. I don't want them to look press-on. So what I do is I find a size that fits my nail slightly smaller than my actual nail bed. So when I look from side to side, I can slightly see my nail showing. What I found is if I find or apply a press-on nail that covers my entire nail, most of the time it's too big for my nail bed. And that's where that press-on look shows itself. So I try to find something where I can barely see my nail. I can see my actual nail on each side of the press-on. And honestly, people don't notice, so don't think it's going to be something that's really noticeable. But to me, this makes the nails look more acrylic-esque instead of press-on-y. I went ahead and trimmed my nails. Honestly, you don't have to trim your nails because when you remove these press-ons, your nails will stay intact. But for me, just for a neater look, I like to remove the nails. So like I told you, I got these nails online, marmaladenails.com, and they have a wide variety of nails. Very cute, stylish nails that you can wear either every day or for special occasions, and they range between $14.95 and $30, just depending on what type of nails you get. And all the nails come with the same instructions. Very easy to put on, very easy to remove. Very cute colors. I always get compliments when I wear these nails on the different colors that I wear. They're not something that you can buy in a store. You have to get them online. They have a really popular one, which is the Love Below by Red, or Times Red, X Red, I don't know, where it's black on the top and then red at the bottom. So cute. I have yet to try these out. I want to try them out probably sometime later this year. I'll let you know how that goes. So after prepping my nail, I'm just going to go ahead and get the glue ready. This is something new that they've started doing, which is adding this second little cap onto the glue. I don't like this. I wish that they didn't do this because it's hard to get off. This is like super glue. So getting it off was super hard. I was trying my hardest not to get glue on my fingers because that's like a pet peeve of mine. And so I tried to use the cotton ball, but then I ended up getting cotton ball and glue on my fingers. So it was just messy and unnecessary. Normally they don't have this little extra cap on. I don't know why they started doing this, so it's so stupid. Anywho, so how I apply the nails is put a drop of glue in the middle of the nail and a drop of glue on my nail. And then I pick the nail up by the stiletto point and I just apply it to my nail bed and press and rotate my thumb over the nail just to get a secure fit for 10 seconds. And I do the same thing to the other nails. Just apply a drop to the press-on nail and my nail, apply pressure for 10 seconds and move on. And you feel how secure these nails are once they begin to dry. You know they're not coming off. So this company claims that their nails will hold in place on your nails for 10 to 14 days. I absolutely agree with that. If you haven't realized already, this is not my first time using these particular nails. I tried using these nails a couple of years ago when they were called Impress nails. They have switched their name over since. I wore these nails to Cabo on vacation, and when I tell you I brought the extra nails just in case, as well as the glue on vacation, just in case I needed it, because I was like, I'm not going to be embarrassed out here, and I'm not going to go around with my hands looking janky. But when I tell you I didn't even need to use the extra nails because my nails stayed in place. I went swimming. We were doing all types of things in Cabo and my nails stayed in place. They stayed on. I never once thought one was going to come off. I forgot I was wearing press-on nails. These nails are for real legit. So if you are looking for something that is a little bit more affordable, where you don't have to spend an hour or more at the salon to get your nails done, I do recommend these. It's really quick, really easy, and they do last. If you are wanting to just wear something for the weekend, you're going to a wedding, you're going to a festival, and you just want to have your nails done for the weekend, they do have instructions on how to apply these so that they don't last as long for a shorter period of time if that's something that you want. These nails are awesome. I'm so happy I found these nails. I majority like to wear my own nails. I don't know, the older I get, I just like to wear more natural styles. But when I do want that acrylic look, I don't even think about going to the salon anymore. I just pop on the website and find a color and shape that I like and order it. It comes super fast in the mail. It's too easy for you not to try. I'm curious, how do you like to wear your nails? Do you like to wear acrylic? Do you like to go to the salon even if it's just for a regular manicure, or do you like to do your nails yourself? Leave your answer in the comment section down below. I'd love to chat with you and see what your answers are. So there's one more press-on nail brand I like to use, and it's called Static Nails. They can also be ordered online. I think they're also sold at some Sephoras. They have really cute styles. I really like their coffin shape and their stiletto shaped nails. They also have really cute shorter nails as well if you don't want a longer look. So here's their website if you're interested. And again, they're very affordable, under $20, come in the mail super fast. And here are my final results. No one knows that these are press-on unless I tell them that they're press-on. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, as well as hit the thumbs up to like this video. See you next time. Bye.